Oh, my dear JEE 26 and 2027 students, this is your Captain Shreyas, and there is a very important update for all the students, which will really excite you and also make you wonder sometimes that such things are even possible. As the thumbnail and also the title says, IIT Kanpur, IIT K has admitted couple of students even without JEE Advance. And can you guess the reason? And guess what? It's not just IIT Kanpur, but other IITs are also taking inspiration now, and they are also now taking the students via an alternative way. And no, I'm not talking about some random degree, I'm talking about BTech degree only. And looking at all these IITs getting in, many other IITs, and I think even NITs or even triple ITs or even maybe the premier private colleges like BITS and many other institutes might start following such things. So, my dear warriors, any guesses? My dear warriors, any guesses what it is about? Well, it is about bypassing the traditional JEE Advanced route. IIT Kanpur has admitted 5 students into its Bachelor of Science and Bachelor of Technology BTech degree only based on the performance of the Olympiad examination. It's crazy to think about it that Olympiad examination not just guarantees you seat in research based institutes, but also in BTech, in IITs. And this is must, because I mean, when you are preparing for Olympiad and you are qualifying the stages and representing the country or qualifying for the national level, obviously you are in the top league. Sometimes what happens, because you are preparing for Olympiad and you are preparing solely on one subject, maybe just physics, maybe just astronomy, maybe just mathematics, maybe just chemistry or biology, the other subjects might take a toll at times, and it is natural that sometimes the advanced scores might be affected. So there is no reason why that student should not be eligible for sitting and studying in IIT, and rather than going through the traditional route. And IIT Madras has launched its distinct admission pathway, including sports excellence admission and even science Olympiad excellence admission. Scope is via science Olympiad, and some students do very well in sports, so that is also being considered. So if you are very very good at sports, you can be in IIT Madras. Now, IIT Gandhinagar has also announced admission through Olympiad route with specific criteria and guidelines which has been published on its website. Even IIT Bombay has announced to admit students in its mathematics program through National Mathematics Olympiad pathway, that is INMO, that is called. If you see the article, we hope this will motivate our bright students to train seriously for Olympiads and bring more laurels to the country. Last November, IIT Kanpur had pioneered in alternative admission route. That means they were the first ones to create a separate route apart from JEE Advanced via science Olympiads. Whether it is mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, or astronomy, or informatics Olympiad. So, it is giving reserved seats in different departments like biological sciences, computer science and engineering, chemistry, economics and science, mathematics, statistics, so many branches. And they are all from different places. These students who got in, some is from Delhi, Maharashtra, Karnataka, West Bengal. It's not just one particular region. And this is very very interesting, because you don't have to clear JEE Advanced. Yeah, the eligibility criteria remains, like you have to be of certain age and all of that. Now, there are many articles which you can see over here. All of them are publishing the same thing. So what does this mean for you? Sir, now I will prepare for Olympiad, I will leave JEE Advanced. No guys, that is not the point. The point is, see, first of all, JEE Advanced preparation is a separate thing, but Olympiad preparation is something which, if you feel I am passionate about a subject, I want to do something, then I feel you should give the Olympiad exam. And a lot of people think Olympiad is only for very brilliant scholars, but actually it is not. You start at the right age, you start at the right time, you can actually clear these entrance exams. And even if you clear the basic first level exam, that builds in a lot of confidence. And those are the same kids who will be also writing the JEE and other entrance examinations. So you know where you stand. And mainly preparing for Olympiads helps you look at the problem in a very different way. I'm not saying that you have to get gold medal, you have to get via this method only to IIT. Thinking differently, that ability, that analytical skills, that logical thinking, that lateral thinking, that visualization, that creativity, that passion that it builds you in you for that subject is something which is completely worth it, guys. I regret not doing Olympiad admission, and many of my batchmates at that time were doing Olympiad preparation. I'm not saying I would have got gold medal for the country, but I'm just saying, just preparing for that. And I wrote the Olympiad exam without even preparing, and still I cleared the first part. But the problem is I was not trained and everything, so I was not able to clear any other stage. So understand that you can also make a big difference in the way you approach JEE Advanced or any in general your life, how you think, just through Olympiad preparation. And by the way, last year, this year, even year before that, Vedantu students have been getting gold for country at an international level. Biology Olympiad, Astronomy Olympiad, Chemistry Olympiad, Physics Olympiad, you are seeing Vedantu students, yes, at international scale. And even ISI exam, which is one of the most difficult, toughest examination in the world, there also all India rank 1 was from Vedantu. So I'm pretty sure if you want to get trained, you would definitely consider Vedantu. And by the way, yes, does Vedantu have some courses for Vedantu? We do have. I will just show it to you. The link is there in the description box. And guess what? We have named the batches after our toppers. Like Daksh was our topper in Astronomy Olympiad. Dhruv was in Physics Olympiad. Accordingly, we have named the batch names with the student names who topped in the previous years. So if you want a batch after you, I think you should be a part of this. I mean, imagine his name is etched in history. So Dhruv batch is NSCP, which is the Physics Olympiad, which will be conducted in November approximately. It's for 10th, 11th and 12th standard students. It's a proper 16-week program, and all the details have been mentioned. Okay, and if you are completely selected, the fees are getting refunded. 100% scholarship is there if you get selected. Even we have the Daksh Astronomy Olympiad batch for 2025. Yes, it is in pure English. All the Olympiad teachers are only there who have trained our kids before this. You can see 100% scholarship if you are selected at Astronomy Olympiad. Okay, the batch has just started. You can check the classes. It's there. All the prices are also mentioned, and those prices are worth it because you are getting Olympiad teachers. They are not JEE Advanced teachers. They are Olympiad teachers. They are different. There are very few Olympiad teachers in the country, so you cannot get trained for Olympiad from any random teacher. I can vouch for that. Maths Olympiad for ISI, CMI and JEE Advanced, there is a separate mathematical oriented course by Abhay sir, and the best of the best Olympiad teachers, guys. It's just starting on 25th August for 13,333 rupees, right? And you also have the full math mastery, okay, for 2027, that is next year. Yes, also with the same set of teachers. So all these batches are there. The links are there in the description box. If you are interested for a IOQM free camp, please fill up this particular form. The link is there again in the description box. It's a free camp for all of you. So make sure you are filling this registration form. The link is there down in the description box. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about this alternative method, and are you ready to challenge yourself via this alternative method and improve your thinking? If so, say yes in the comment, and also like this video and share this video with your friends. Captain Shreyas signing off. Hasta la vista.